So we are on our way to go watch the Great American Farm Tour with some other fellow homesteaders in South Carolina, and we're super excited about it.
We were told there's supposed to be about 40 to 50 people there.
Yep, so we're excited. Yay! Alright, so we got a hour and 40 minutes to get there. So let's hit the road. Alright guys, so we are almost there. It has been one fairly long ride, but not too bad. Levi's ready to get out the car. He's been a little cranky. We have about 20 minutes left, and then we'll be there. And this outland country, I've never really been out this way and seen this part of South Carolina. It's a pretty place. All right, guys. So we're gonna continue our journey, and we'll let y'all know when we're there. So we made it, and they have a really nice house, and it's all open. I'm super excited. I'm really excited. Here, I'll show you what I'm looking at.
It has an upstairs and a downstairs.
So we are here, and it is a gorgeous place. Our lovely host has some chickens and some turkeys. The turkey's playing with the ball. Look at that. The turkey is literally playing with the ball. That is crazy. But actually, he's probably doing something else with the ball, but we're not going to say what that is. Alright guys, so I'm super excited about this. We're going to try to get some interviews with some people and get it taken care of. What, baby?
Levi was trying to feed the dang cat with his milk.
Oh no!
Daddy stopped moving.
Let's start rolling. I'm super excited about the group of people here, and I hope you guys are too. So we're going to start with food, and then maybe 10 minutes we'll start a movie. There are coloring sheets up here for the kiddos that are just a U.S. map. If they want to color and check off as they see the movie go through. Feel free to go inside if you are cold or need a bathroom or whatever reason you have. There's two in there. Help yourself. You can find. Wood chip. Like, if anyone would like a cat who keeps having kittens and won't let us spay her, feel free to take that.
That person did a good sales pitch.
She's in here too. In our family, we pray before we're eating, so we're going to do that real quick if you guys want to join us. And then help yourselves if you don't find something or serving something or whatever. We're sure we can find it in the house.
Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for letting us get together with like-minded people and just get to know each other and enjoy this time and just get to watch something fun. And whatever, just help us have a great night and get safe right Yes, if he wants some, but for some reason he wants some to get
Big difference.
Alright guys, so we are back at home. We just pulled onto our road. We had a good time at the Great American Farm Tour premiere. We had a blast meeting other homesteaders in our state.
That are reasonably somewhat close to us.
Yeah, it was an hour and a half away, almost 2 hours. It was kind of far.
But everybody that we talked to there was about, how many people? 40?
Yeah.
There was about 8 families and 40 people total, approximately around there. But they had a lot of, there was people closer to us than where we all met up at. But and we're supposed to have another gathering in the springtime. They're gonna set something up for us, so we can all hang out during the daytime.
Yeah. So yeah, and I have no chili left. They ate my chili. They ate it all. It was good. It was really good, wasn't it, hon?
Yeah, you make some good chili.
So, I just want to say, or we just want to say, thank y'all so much for watching.
And thanks everybody for putting that on. The family that put that on here, and
Yeah, thank you, Megan, for doing that for us. And you are a wonderful host if you are watching. Y'all have a wonderful day or wonderful night, and we will see y'all next one. Or we'll see y'all next time.
see ya.
Bye.